Welcome to Multiple Choice Question 14 of the 2006 Mathematical Methods Exam 2. In this video we will be looking at the solution for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAR. And now before we move on, I'd just like to point out that the use of a CAS calculator is not appropriate for this question, as there is no way to input what we are given into the calculator. So for question 14, we have for the graph of y equals f of x shown above, f dashed of x is negative for one of the following options. So if we want f dashed of x to be negative, another way we can frame that is that we want f dashed of x to be less than 0, not less than or equal to 0, because 0 is neither negative nor positive. So for f dashed of x to be negative, it must be less than 0. And now we can start to look at the slopes of tangent lines drawn to this curve f, which is sketched above. So if we were to sketch a tangent line here, that would be a positive slope, and we'd have other positive slopes when x is less than negative 3. But as soon as we reach negative 3, that's a stationary point. So we know that f dashed of negative 3 is equal to 0. And then for all of the x values between negative 3 and positive 3, where the next stationary point occurs, all of these values here would have a negative slope associated with them. So by a negative slope, we mean that the slope is going this way. And then when we get to x equals 3, we get another stationary point. So we know that f dashed of 3 is equal to 0. And then as x gets greater than 3, we have positive slopes again. So that means for the graph of y equals f of x shown above, f dashed of x is negative, what we're being asked to find, when x is between negative 3 and 3 but not included. So that makes A the correct option for this question. And from the examiner's report, we can see that almost 70% of students got that correct, so it was reasonably well done in this exam.